This is our math lesson for today. We are going to be looking at characteristics of three-dimensional shapes. So your targets are, I can define characteristics of three-dimensional shapes, including prisms, pyramids, cylinders, and cones. I can compare and contrast different three-dimensional shapes, and I can describe the two-dimensional shapes that result from slicing three-dimensional shapes. So we have vocabulary here. I'm not going to go over every single word. You'll get to see that again. And more vocabulary here. So this is very specifically what the definitions of the 3D shapes are. So we have a cone, a cube, a cylinder, a rectangular prism, a right pentagonal prism, a right triangular prism, a sphere, a square prism, a square pyramid, and a triangular pyramid. Now during class, this is what's really important to attend to when we're in class at 12:30. We are going to do a breakout room activity. So you're going to look for your name on one of the slides from 6 to 10. Then you will move to that slide and turn on your microphone and talk with the group. As a group, complete your slide. You need to find pictures of the 3D objects to add to your slide. So you can either find objects or you could also draw. You can use that drawing tool, which is up here where you select a line and then you can draw on your slide. So each one of you has a different 3D shape. Find or draw an example of that shape in your text box. Then you may add a different picture or drawing to someone else's text box. So each one of you will be assigned a shape when we get in class. And you'll be assigned a group. So you'll be in a group, but you'll also be assigned an individual shape, which I have not done yet, but I will before 12:30. So that is probably all we're going to be able to focus on today. But you can also look at the different definitions of cross sections, edges, and faces, which you may already know. So a cross section is a face that results when a plane intersects a solid three-dimensional shape. The edges are the line segments along which two faces of a three-dimensional shape meet. And the face is any one of the flat sides of a three-dimensional shape. And then finally, we will look at both prisms and pyramids this week. So prisms have two bases that are congruent and parallel polygons. We name the prism by its bases. Non-base faces are rectangles or parallelograms. And then pyramids, it has one base that is a polygon, and we name the pyramid by its base. So non-base faces are triangles. Triangular faces taper into a vertex. So that is how you can distinguish between prisms and pyramids. So again, we will be meeting and we will have our usual targets, different definitions, and a breakout room activity. So I will see you soon. Bye.